హాయ్ ఎవ్రీబడి, వెల్కమ్ టు ఎస్ఎంఆర్ తెలుగు ఎడ్యుకేషన్. సో మనం ఈ వీడియోస్లో పాయింటర్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద పాయింటర్ వేరియబుల్స్. దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఇంటీజర్, క్యారెక్టర్, float variables. This is integer pointer, this is integer double pointer, character pointer, character double pointer, and a float double pointer. Okay, in this table function declaration is there, then you have to write the function calling. Okay, so void swap int asterisk, this is the integer variable address. So how to write the function calling? In function calling you have to mention the name of the function. So name of the function is swap. Next, int asterisk is address of integer variable, address of I1 and address of I2, and semicolon. This is the function calling. Next, what is the function call for this function? So name of the function is swap. Next, char asterisk, that means character address. So here the character variable is C1, then you have to mention address of C1, then address of C2, semicolon. So this is a char pointer, character address, then you have to write the address of character is C1. This is also character address, the address of C2. Next, so this is the return type is int asterisk, that means int asterisk variable is I1, that means this function returns int asterisk. Here you have to mention the int asterisk variable is some integer pointer 1 is equal to name of the function ABC, then you have to write the char asterisk, that means character address of, if you want you can write directly CPP1 other or address of CP1, both are same. Address of character pointer char asterisk, that means address of C1 or you have to write CP1. So address of C1 and character is C1, semicolon. So this one is valid, otherwise you have to write so IP1 is equal to ABC. So this is called char asterisk. Directly char asterisk variable is CPP1 and then char asterisk variable is CP1 and character is C1, semicolon. This one and this one both are same. Next one is float asterisk is the return type, then you have to assign the return type variable is FPP. The return type is you have to assign to FPP, pointer double pointer is equal to name of the function is SMR. Next, here int asterisk, directly have to write IPP1 or address of IP1, comma char asterisk address of char asterisk pointer CP1 or directly you have to write CPP1, float asterisk here you have to declare the variable as float asterisk fp, float pointer fp. Okay, so directly you have to write fp or address of f1 semicolon. This one also you have to write so the return type is float pointer fpp is equal to function name is smr. Next here int asterisk asterisk, directly you have to write ipp1 comma next char asterisk asterisk, then you have to write cpp1 next float asterisk, directly you have to write fp semicolon. So this is the function calling and this function calling, both are same. Next void smr char asterisk asterisk char asterisk, here you have to write the function name smr char asterisk asterisk, you have to write address of cp1 or cpp1 char asterisk, directly you have to write cp1 or address of c1, both are same. Next one, so no return type, function name is xyz int asterisk asterisk asterisk, here there is a no in int asterisk asterisk asterisk, that means you have to here you have to write the address of double pointer, integer double pointer I pp1 or pp2 comma int asterisk asterisk, address of ip1 comma int asterisk, you have to write ip1 or address of i1 next integer i1, otherwise you have to write here ipp. This one also if you want you can write direct integer variable address or integer single pointer is ip1, similarly you have to write here. Next void smr int asterisk asterisk char asterisk char, here you have to write the name of the function is so smr int asterisk asterisk, here you have to write ipp1 or address of ip1, both are same, char asterisk means cp1 or address of c1, next char, character is c1, or smr int asterisk asterisk, directly you have to write ipp1 next char asterisk is cp1 next char is c1. So this one or this one both are same. So please remember, whenever you have to write a function, first you have to think about what is the return type, what is the name of the function and what are the parameters you have to pass. Okay, next based on this declaration you have to call that function, or sometimes you know the calling, you have to write the function declaration, both are same. So next one is so how to scan a value. One dot c f5, how to scan a number, void main scan an integer, so int n you have to ask the in printf enter any number, scan that value. So scanf %d comma address of n. So by mistake sometimes you have to forget to write the address of n, directly you have to write the n, and then printf %d comma n. So here n default value is garbage value. Okay, next here our enter value is not stored in n, it is printed the default value. I want to debug this code, I want to add n. So F7, so n default value is garbage value, I want to enter 10. This 10 value is not stored in the n, you have to print it same value 29 alt F5 minus 29 254. So please remember here you have to write the operator is called address of n, address of operator. Here I am instead of writing address of n, here I am declaring one integer pointer int asterisk ptr is equal to address of n semicolon. So instead of writing address of n, here I am directly write the ptr, both are same. Whatever the value you have to enter is, here I am writing clr scr to clear the screen, clr scr alt F5 s F7. So n default value is some value, enter any number, I am entering 100, this 100 is stored in n, now n value is 100, alt F5, the output is 100. Okay. Next, write a program to find the sum of two numbers. How to write the sum of two numbers? So void main, so int a. By using pointers concept, you have to printf enter any two numbers. So scanf %d comma address of a. So how to get the next address? We have to add +1, %d comma address of a +1. This is pointing to next address. We have to find the sum of a and b. Printf %d plus %d is equal to %d comma asterisk of address of a comma asterisk of address of a +1 is the next value sum, address of a plus asterisk of address of a +1. So I want to clear the screen by using clr scr, clear the screen. So F2, save this one, alt F9, yes, control F9. So enter any two numbers 10 20, 10 20, 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. So alt F5, output is 30. Here you have to write this code by using single variable. So by using pointers concept, you have to +1 means it is pointing to next address, but this is illegal. Maybe sometime this program is worked only 90%, not working 100%. Maybe whenever you are declaring a, the memory is full of system, next address is not available. In this case, this program is not works, but okay, in our system memory is available, it is work 100%. Enter 100 space 200, 100 space 200, alt F5, output is 100 plus 200 is equal to 300. Okay, so this is the sum of two numbers by using pointers concept, single variable. The next one is here I am taking void main int a. Here a is equal to, here I am writing some function which returns the integer pointer. That return type is integer pointer. Function name is smr. So no parameters. Int a. So a is equal to some value 10. Return address of a. So this address of a is stored in. Here I am taking this pointer. So ptr. So ptr is equal to smr. So asterisk ptr is equal to some value 30, then printf percentage t comma asterisk ptr. So F2, save this file with name 1.cs. Okay. So function name is, so return type is int asterisk, function name is smr, so no parameters. So int a is equal to 10, return integer pointer address of integer variable address, address of a. Function name is void main. In this main function I am declaring integer pointer variable int asterisk ptr. So ptr is equal to, I am calling smr. So asterisk ptr is equal to 30, then printf percentage d comma asterisk ptr. Name of the function is main. In this main function we have to declare only one variable. That variable name is ptr. So variable name is ptr. So variable name is ptr. Every variable has some name. Some address 500. Say initial value is garbage value. Okay, whenever we are calling smr function, then the control goes to this main function to here the name of the function is smr. So in this smr function you have to declare only one variable. That variable name is a. Variable name is a. Some address I am taking 600. So initial value is garbage value. Okay. Next, this statement is executed. A is equal to 10. This value is replaced with 10. Okay. Next, return address of a. So what is a? 10. What is the address of a? 600. This 600 is stored in this return value. So whenever the control goes to So whenever control goes to main method, this memory is deallocated. This memory is deallocated. This return value, return address of A, here the A is 10, address of A is 600. This 600 is stored in PTR. So 600 is stored in PTR. Next, asterisk PTR is equal to 30. What is PTR? So please remember, whenever the control goes to main method, this memory is deallocated. That means A memory is deallocated. There is no A in our memory space. In 600 is not available. Still but we have an address at 600. Okay. Asterisk PTR. What is PTR? 600. What is asterisk PTR? 600 address variable. Asterisk PTR is 600. Asterisk PTR is 600 address variable. A value is 30. So this value is replaced with 30. Okay. Next, printf %d asterisk PTR. What is PTR? 600. Asterisk PTR means 600 address variable, that is A. So value is 30. So this is illegal. So this pointer is, whenever this pointer is called a dangling pointer. We are accessing unreferenced variable. That's why this pointer is called dangling pointers. Okay. So I want to run this code. So Alt F9, yes, Control F9. So Alt F5. Output is 30. You have to clear the screen. CLR, SCR. Alt F9, yes, Control F9. Alt F5. Output is 30. But this is illegal. Maybe this program is not worked 100%. Maybe sometimes this may be failed. Okay. So this is the pointers concept. We have to complete pointers, arrays and strings and structures and data structures. Every concept we have to repeat the pointers concept. Okay. So still you have to any doubts, please refer our videos. Okay, thank you.